Murag nay gamay. Good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen who are now ladies and ladies who are now gentlemen. This girl standing and speaking here in front of you is not a real woman, but a real beauty. I may not have a beautiful face and a perfect curve of the body that could capture the eyes of some of you, but this evening place makes me beautiful and sexy is my confidence, my ability, and my intellectual capacity. This girl is Naya Nalinaw Antigua, 24, representing Barangay Castile! Sa ganitong patimpala, may negrang tatata. Good evening, Barangay Castile. This is your Miss Universe Philippines 2024, Chelsea. Chelsea Pepito Manaloto. Taking up the Bachelor of Science, Super Science, Sanggoko, Sanggohan, Maching Piccolo, and Majin Buu. Major in bombing, kidnapping, dynamite fishing, and carnapping. With harbating damaki. Naniniwala po sa kasabihan, wala'y bayot masukmagan kung mubayad ng daan. Wala'y babae masakitan kung ang tumboy magnilkater lang daan. And I'm proud to represent my home kung asa makita ang mga tangkimad duwat muha. Muarang kada, muabiba, naku, tulad tala!
Gentlemen, and the people that are part of the LGBTQ plus community. Just like Queen Cleopatra, I'm going to stride this stage with charm, wit, and intelligence, and a little bit of mystery. Coming from the striving and spirited Barangay Cansaga, my name is Jeremy Hermieto Lacson, 22 years of age, and I believe it is saying that authenticity shines brighter than approval. So people, just remember, just do you and don't let others judge you for who you are. I am going to channel the stage like Queen Cleopatra with wit, grace, and undeniable pride. Once again, I am representing Barangay Cansaga 22, Jeremy Lacson, yours truly. And I thank you.
Chaka sa lights.
My name is Shing Fei Yuan, 21, Barangay Hugar, Nibalhin sa Kasili, Pakpak Puntanan, Mirisig Kawanan, Iatay Muntanan.
Standing in front of you is one of the representatives of Queen of Kasili. My name is Carrie Uyan, loud and proud to represent my beloved Barangay Poblacion Occidental.
Hello. Sa kadaghang kandidata man ni istorya karong kadhimuna, baho na kay ang mic. Kung maguwan, bayot ang pasangilan. Kung magdugdug kilat, bayot gahon ang pasangilan. Kung na'y mawala na inayhay sa silingan, bayot gihapoy pasangilan. Tama na, gusto na. Tumboy na sa basula. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. The lady who is standing in front of you happens to be Barb Beetle Anderson, a 25 years stunner, hailing all the way from Barangay Dinlag. Ladies and gentlemen, I really do apologize because tonight I have a fever and a cough, which is I am sick, but I still do my best to be here standing in front of you to give you a happiness tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, a real beauty queen is not only wearing a crown on her head, having a beautiful face with a sexy body, but rather, a real beauty queen is having a beautiful mind, pretty heart with a pretty soul. Thank you so much.
Kahinay sa music, balik. Everybody say wow! Say yeah! Say whoo whoo whoo! Say rah rah rah! Sugdan sa maayong pamatasan, maayong gabi, kaninyong tanan. Ang babae nga naa sa inyong atubangan, Marga Punay, 16 years old ang tirada. Bahalagi pa prisos sa mama. Basta, managsulirang ako mata. A graduate Bachelor of Science, major in Cosmetology at St. Peter University. Ngayong gabi po, mag-iiwan po ako ng mga katotohanan katagalan. Lisod yun magpakabayo kung di ka tinuod nga bayo. Lisod yun magpakatumboy kung di ka tinuod nga tumboy. Lisod magpakababay kung di ka tinuod nga babay. But I want to say, let's spread love and kindness. Once again, ladies and gentlemen,